Good morning to everybody. Today I will explain from page number 23 from most people who visit Bhangar report filling. From this part I will explain up to the end of this lesson. Some sentence to be re-explained. Before that I will refer some sentences as a continuation and reference. For instance, the 1995 reincarnation revenge drama Karan Arjun was shot inside Bhangar. This year alone, 2 films have been made on the place Trip to Bhangar, in which 5 young men decide to break the fort's reputation, and Bhangar, which released later this year. Now we start. Most people who visit Bhangar report feeling uneasy or a negative energy. Many report having noises of an intoxicating smell there. Explanation 1. Most people who visit Bhangar, they feel anxious and contradictory energy. Many report hearing noises or an alcoholic odor there. Explanation 2. Most of the people who visit Bhangar, they realize the fort is nervous or a opposing energy spot. Many report express the noises or spirituous power there. Explanation 3. Most of the people who visit Bhangar fort, they feel worried or rejecting energy, and many report confirm that there is noise and Venus melodious there. Now from the book, there have been some eerie occurrence as well, such as when Ulka Gupta, the actress of TV show Jhansi Ki Rani, went missing during a shot at Bhangar and was later found in Tantrik's den. There have been, explanation 1, there have been some unnatural events as well, such as when TV star Ulka Gupta, the actress of TV show Jhansi Ki Rani, went misplaced during shooting hours at Bhangar fort and was found later in the Tantrik's den. Explanation 2. There have been some abnormal affair found when Ulka Gupta, the actress of the TV show Jhansi Ki Rani, was missing during the shooting time. Later, she was found in the den of one supernatural agent. Explanation 3. There have been some sinister circumstances observed when Ulka Gupta was there for TV show Jhansi Ki Rani. Ulka Gupta, the actress of the TV show, was misled during the shooting, but she found later in a den of the magician. Now from the book, but there are also many who came away without having experienced its famed spookiness. But there are, explanation 1, but there are also many people who visit here without having experienced its famous ghosty place. Explanation 2, but there are also many people who visit here without previous knowledge about its renowned frightening stories. Explanation 3, but there are also many unexperienced people who visit the fort and do not know its respected and mysterious place. So now from book, it's a very beautiful old fort we went in the morning and returned at dusk. Bhangar Fort is a very beautiful, lonely old fort. Bhangar Fort is a very lonely old fort. He, we means the visitors, the narrator and her group went inside to visit the fort and back during sunset. As per the author Gargi Gupta, it was an attractive and old fort. The narrator and her group visited inside the Bhangar fort and returned at sundown. Explanation 3. As per the narrator of this story, Gargi Gupta and her group, it was a charming and old fort. They visit the fort and return night at nightfall. Now, from book, we felt nothing uncanny, says Rohini Singh, who visited Bhangar a couple of years ago. As per Rohini Singh, they feel nothing unnatural. She visited Bhangar few years ago. Explanation 2. Rohini Singh visited Bhangar Fort along with her group and found nothing abnormal. Explanation 3. Rohini Singh went Alwar to visit Bhangar Fort along with her companions. They found nothing unearthly. So, from this discussion, you can realize that if you are entering after sunrise and if you are out from the fort before the sunset, then you cannot find anything. And if you are in the fort after sunset also you there, then you can find some unnatural things, unwanted things. Okay, now from the book. Even the guards say there are no spirits or ghosts there. We went to Bhangar in February and it was crowded. Even the guests tell that there are no spirits or ghosts. Rohini Singh said that they visited Bhangar Fort in February and it was overpopulated. Explanation 2. As per Rohini Singh, the guard tells that there were no ghosts and spirit. Rohini Singh told that they visited the fort in February. That time the fort was congested. As per Rohini Singh, explanation 3. As per Rohini Singh, the guard confirms there were no spirit or soul in the fort. Rohini Singh visited Bhangar Fort in February. There she found that the fort was overfilled. Now clearly, from the book, clearly they had come to check out its haunted reputation and were going into every shaded spot and shouting and screaming. The visitors, they had come plainly to inspect its haunted rank place and were going into every darkened spot and crying and screeching. Explanation 2. The visitor of the Bhangar fort had come smelling its haunted esteemed place and were going into each dim spot and yelling and squealing. Now explaining 3. The visitors who had come certainly to monitor the Bhangar fort's haunted prestigious place and were going in every screen, spot and baying and whooping. That is the end of this lecture and I will go for the next part, that is the only odd thing, if you can even call it that, was that we found no shops or eateries outside. That will come, explanation will be there in the next recording.